He's busy funneling $100 million in fire aid that was supposed to go to Palisades victims
Oh
to
yeah.
the nonprofit organization of which his wife is the chair of the board.
It
Nothing
doesn't
fishy
get
Ask
more
there.
the
gross than
man
that.
about that. It is unconscionable, is what we call that. Oh, I
Yeah,
can't.
and for it to get that far to where nobody until this point has cried foul about it, and
Yeah.
it's just disgusting that they can do that with such arrogance and such confidence that,
Yeah.
that we see exactly what's happening and we can't do anything about it. I think that's the most
Yeah.
frustrating part.
Well, who was the B-level television personality that kind of broke that loose?
Oh
Was
yeah.
it-
Uh-huh. I don't remember the name, but the donations all went through the Annenberg Foundation, and then those are now getting tracked, thankfully. But I mean, everyone's on the hook there. That's not acceptable in any way at all. I mean, to raise that amount of money too. I mean, that's not your typical community fundraiser. We're talking $100 million, and poof.
Yeah,
Well,
and to do it with a wound that's so fresh to those people in the
So
Palisades,
bad.
and it's such a slap in the face. It's unconscionable, like you said.
Yeah, yeah.
well, who was the lady they interviewed on California TV? And she started looking into it, and she got a hold of one of the nonprofits that said they help people who lost their trailers. So they were basically going for mobile home parks. So she called the mobile home parks that were destroyed by the fire, and they're like, "What money are you talking about? We haven't seen a dime."
God.
I mean,
I know. I know, and I think that's
know-
something that people don't realize about California. There are those who will not be able to spare any empathy or sympathy for people who lose their homes in a community like the Pacific Palisades, because they think, well, everyone's wealthy, they're fine, and that is true for some people there. But there are trailer home parks all around that area. There are trailer park homes in Malibu. They're everywhere, in Beverly Hills. And there are people who have had homes passed down through
Right.
generations that there's no way they could afford to refinance, to rebuild, to try to move forward. They're done. I mean, they've lost everything, just outside of even the horrific emotional loss of losing all of your mementos and possessions and everything. Some people lost, I mean, we lost people. We lost
Right.
over 20 people in those fires, and animals and all of it. And so to think that it's okay or somehow acceptable to divert that money, or these people will be okay or get back on their feet again, is so sick. It's just absolutely wrong.